Alright folks, so I finally got my ignition switch off, and in order to get to this pin right here, I had to break off this top because you cannot get your finger to poke the little hole in there. To depress this hole to pull out the switch. Again, this key has to be on the ACC to pull this whole switch out and have it fixed or replaced with a new one. And to put it back in, it needs to be on the ACC right there. So you can depress the little button right here. And then you just press it back in. Now I got to put in the switch and make sure that this little thing right there inside is on the ACE also. ACC. These two little screws attach this thing right there.